there are many clues as to which era this volcano happened or this catastrophe. For example, this printing paper does not exist anymore. It was for the type of printer that had the ears.
Future project, John.
Wants to go swimming.
So we're touring an abandoned house. Guy bought it about 10 years ago from Norway, I think. Left the country. Just didn't do anything with it, and those were bats up there. It's a nice house. There's a lot of potential, but a lot to invest in.
Stop on our exclusion zone trip today. We're with Luke here, who knows the area quite well. So this is a museum, right?
It used to be the museum building back before the volcano. And this thing has survived every hurricane, every disaster in 400 years.
Well built.
Yep.
And this section would be called what here?
Richmond Hill.
Richmond Hill. Okay. And behind us used to be a very posh area, right?
Yep. And we can see with the orange roof over yonder, that's the Montserrat Springs Hotel. It was the hotel of the place at the time.
Chance's Peak, which is the peak of the volcano, used to be at 3,002 feet, but since it blew up, it is now about 3,500 feet high. So that's 1/6 of the growth there.
This is the old bottling company for different sodas and juices. It was all done here.
Was it ever rebuilt elsewhere?
Nope.
So
that was a lost industry.
Okay, and we can see how nature has basically taken over within 20 years. The volcano exploded in 1995. And yes, there are a bunch of bottles, but nature sure wants to fix things right now.
Welcome to the Montserrat Springs Hotel. We greet our guests with a friendly smile.
Oh, downstairs? If it's still
We have a hair dryer here. Still have a mattress in here, curtains, just because the door over here, you can't open it.
Found a pillow.
So there's so much ash here that you'd think this is a Turkish toilet. And an in-ground bath.
Oh, there's a phone here.
Alan, we're trying to give you an idea of how much ash is here. Now look, Sarah's standing beside the sink where they would serve the drinks, which is what now, it's about what, 1.5 feet from the ground?
Oh wow, yeah.
And there's probably, you probably used to be like 4 or 5 feet.
So I'd have to be around here to wash my hands or serve water.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
And now it's right there, so gives you a little idea.
We found a lot of paperwork from the hotel, like marketing, budgets. We found no letters saying that they were ceasing operations, which here we have the bookkeeping of the hotel.
There was all these supplies people had. Yeah, on the phone.
Employee lounge.
There's nice shirts that have been sitting there for 25 years. Please follow.
Les souliers.
Old uniforms.
Yeah. Restez rentrés.
Look
what I found.
No.
I'm coming.
John, you're.
This is a swimming pool.
We're still at the Montserrat Springs Hotel here. That used to be a dining room. I have to say we have mixed emotions going through these ruins. So this used to be a really posh hotel called Montserrat Hot Springs, and even the hot springs are buried under the ash right now. We saw receipts with guest names on them and how much they paid, and just everything was left as, I guess they had to run out of here really, really quickly. We had a view from the top. We were standing on those buildings at the top of the hill there.
The top of Isles Bay.
that?
I don't know.
It's a cassette. We used to play music with those. What else is there here?
Music discs.
I feel old when she can't even tell what a cassette is anymore.
Look at all these records.
Really, you look pretty good still. We're gonna go find Sarah. She's somewhere in here, looking for guavas. Well, we found Sarah. I'm filming. She's trying to find guavas. There are some in that tree, but they're not ready. Gotta give them a bit of time.
So this is the first time that I'm driving on the right of the car, the left of the road, like in UK. It's not too bad. I've been able to keep on the right side of the road, or should I say the left side of the road. And I'm not putting my flashes on when I should put the wipers, or the wipers when I should put the flashers. But yeah, it's fun. It's the first experience I've had with that, and